Hey guys, DJB once again with a ZLX G2. This particular unit is having some sound quality issues. It sounds very muffled or not clear. We're going to play it real quick. So here we go. It sounds like I don't hear nothing from the tweeter up here, like it's blown. So I really think that's the issue. Let's flip it back here. I actually went through and did a reset and kind of put all this back to regular mode. It was on flat and it didn't matter what setting I picked. It seems like the sound quality was still kind of the same. So just going through this menu here, I'm going to do another default setting and erase all user data. So there you go. It's nice and reset. So let's go ahead and play it again. Let's see. Yeah, so it's still not sounding very clean. So I'm going to take the front off and we're going to take a look and see exactly what's going on. Got one out. As you can see, it's still on because I want to keep testing. So we're just going to pry this out like this and make sure that there's always a cable down here. You want to unplug that. But I want to listen to this to see if I hear anything. I feel like this driver here is bad. So here we go. I really think that's the issue. So we're going to take it all out and see if we can... Actually, I'm going to look at the wires in the back first before I take it out. But let me see. Yep. I can either pull the amp or I could do it through the front. I think I'm going to have to do it through the front. So I have to go through all of these. Let's get it done. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to try to unplug this. There we go. I was able to get it out. But this being brand new, it wasn't easy. Had to put a lot of force to get it out without damaging it. Okay, that is out. Let's put some of this tool to the side and move this over. Create some room here. Let me go sideways. There we go, got it. And I have to be gentle. Oh, see that? Was not plugged. So that could be our issue. And we're gonna plug it. But yeah, it is kind of loose. We're gonna plug it, run a test again, and then see if our issue is solved. So we're gonna lay it sideways so I can get all the plugs in here. Actually, we're gonna do it the other way. Let's flip it here. There we go. Power. And let's get our XLR in. Turn it on. Okay, it's coming up. And get our song queued up. Woo, you can hear the difference. Wow. Difference night and day. So this was the issue. Totally unplugged. So we're going to go ahead and fix that properly. But I am going to put it back like this and get our pliers. Flashlight in here. So let me get my needle nose plier and fix this properly. So we want both of them to be nice and tough. Let's see. This one's really good. Actually, once I got them in, they're both pretty good. But we know it's got a little tab right there. We know one of them got unplugged. So I'm gonna make it tighter. There we go. A little more. Yes, right there should do it. Make sure our tab is good. Yep. Let's go in nice and firm. Same thing with the other one. Hit the tab, release it. This is the one that feels really wobble. A lot of play. There we go. A little bit in. Okay. Our tab actually should pop out a little more. Let's test it. Make sure I have it. Let's see. I'm gonna face it out this way. Oh yeah. See that? Very tight. Guys, that's it. Let's put it back. Problem solved. I love it when it's easy stuff. Stuff like that. That doesn't require any expenses. You know, don't have to order a new one. You know, that's it. Yeah, my dick. Yes. Okie dokie. So now we put it back. Let's plug this first. Okay. Then put this in. Nice and flushed. Okay, all set. Final test. So we could declare it as complete repair. On. Wait for it to go on. Yep. Quality amazing, guys. So we're all set. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Como chin, se sientan en la